Went plant shopping again and found this pretty flower that is called Crosanda Orange Marmalade. Marmalade? Yep, marmalade. And some of these flowers, of course, bought some of these too. And some of these flowers, that's cute. Scattered them all over. And then there's more there. And my solar light again is dead. Got some garlic chives also. Some marjoram, I think. Oh yeah, we bought that yesterday, or I forgot already. Oh my god. Bought another pot, and I forgot what I'm supposed to put in here. Oh my G. The persimmon leaves actually, they come out really fast because it's really warm now. We're done breaking our back, so now relaxing, and we're gonna go inside soon. Although it's still a nice weather, but we have work. I have work early in the morning. Happy. And my garden is getting prettier little by little. And my plants are alive. I'm happy.